Alright, big up on yourself again, people. Massive respect again. So let me just make this clear. This is not necessarily a video bashing the player. This is not a video bashing the player. This is a video just highlighting something that the player said, which in my view I deem it wrong. No, not everyone might have the same opinion as me. Not everyone might have the same opinion as me. You might view it differently. You might view it as nothing. You might view it just trivial as well. Or you might even say it's petty. But at the elite level, there are things you can say and things you can't say. Especially the context. Now the context is, the truth is, Leon Bailey is not having the best season. He's not having the best season this season. From the start of the season, he's not having the best season. So I'm going to put up one video. I'm wanting to watch it.
Who is most likely to be late to training? 3, 2, 1.
Leon.
Leon.
And Leon. Now, John Duran's late more than you.
I can be late a lot of times too.
Alright, so as you can see in the video, the question was asked, who is more likely to be late for training? Now, I don't know about who knows still. But if me always late for training, I not say it. That's not something I'm going to say. I think he was too... Listen, there's nothing wrong with being honest. Nothing at all is wrong with being honest. Nothing at all. But in some situation, you can say nothing. And when the question was asked, who is more likely to be late for training, and both of them have to go at the same time, Leon Bailey opted to call his own name, and the player called, I think the player called John Duran. And Leon Bailey reiterated by saying, like, he might emphasize it, it's me. And the player agreed. Is it John Duran? I don't remember. And the player agreed that it's Leon Bailey as well. Now, in my perspective, as we say, I could have just blow it way out of proportion. But it could also mean something. Now, what do you think the coach watching that probably I said, really? You're not really having the best season and you're so proud to say something like that. But as I say, people, listen to me, people. This is my opinion. And I can be totally wrong. I'm not forcing anyone to agree to my opinion. I'm not forcing anyone to believe what I'm saying or state it as a fact. But I just think that in a situation like this, especially how the season ago, I don't think that's something that he should even answer to. Or maybe just give somebody else's name. Maybe give somebody else's name. But to make reference to yourself in something like that, I personally don't think it's right. I personally don't think it's right. And I know you got people coming in the comment section and say, bad mind, all that kind of stuff. That's me used to that something there. But me still I go come out and tell you my opinion, my perspective on the situation at all time. All if you not call me the worst things in the world. But I don't think he really managed that moment well. I don't believe he managed that specific moment well. And because me watch it and me laugh and it's a fun thing. And when me see the one something that me kind of he's but me I say, really? You really say that? And I don't think you know the repercussion of saying something like that. And maybe there's none. Maybe there's no repercussion for something like that. Maybe there's none whatever. But especially in a season where things don't really look well. Try to be in the best light. Try to portray yourself in the best possible way that you're trying to get back on foot in doing the right thing and trying to have the best season possible. But as I say, nothing could have done it. Probably I may overthink and I may overlook it the situation. But I just don't believe he handled that situation, even that specific question, really well. And I just don't think you should have said that. But anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. I know I disagree. I got a lot of person disagree. A lot of person say it's petty. A lot of persons say me I look into it too much. You know. But let's see. Maybe probably have one person agree. We don't know. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV. Oh, God bless.